The world of remote-controlled RC helicopters continues to evolve, and 2025 is bringing even more advanced, feature-rich models. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced pilot, there's an RC helicopter suited to your needs. With innovations such as GPS-assisted hovering, high-powered brushless motors, and extended battery life, these helicopters offer precision control and thrilling flight experiences. From beginner-friendly models with intuitive controls to high-performance machines built for aerobatics, this guide highlights the top 15 best RC helicopters for 2025. Blade Fusion 700. The Blade Fusion 700 is a premium RC helicopter designed for serious hobbyists. Priced at $1,600, it features a 4,735 540 kV brushless motor and 700 mm carbon fiber rotor blades for superior torque and stability. Designed for 12S LiPo battery compatibility, 5000 mAh, it delivers outstanding power for sport flying and aggressive 3D maneuvers. The rugged carbon fiber and aluminum frame ensure durability and easy maintenance. Available in super combo packages, it includes Spectrum components such as brushless servos and a flybarless control system, offering customization options for pilots. Its advanced engineering makes it ideal for intermediate and expert flyers seeking a high-performance, reliable helicopter with smooth handling and precise flight capabilities. Flywing Bell UH-1V4 HUEY GPS. The Flywing Bell UH-1V4 HUEY GPS is a feature-packed RC helicopter priced at $720, offering an authentic scale look with cutting-edge technology. This 6-channel model integrates GPS, GLONASS, and Beidou positioning for accurate, self-stabilizing flight and omnidirectional hovering. Powered by a dual brushless motor system, it includes a 3,508 brushless main motor and a 60 AESC for reliable performance. The H1 flight controller supports multiple flight modes including GPS, 3D, and semi-auto. Measuring 750mm in length with an 810mm rotor span, it boasts realistic details such as a transparent windshield and exhaust design. Additional features like one-button return and low battery auto return enhance safety, making it a great choice for both new and experienced pilots seeking a stable, high-tech RC helicopter. Blade Revolution 90 FP. The Blade Revolution 90 FP is an affordable and beginner-friendly RC helicopter priced at $100. It utilizes safe technology to ensure stability, while the optional altitude hold mode simplifies control for novice pilots. Fully assembled and ready to fly, its compact size makes it perfect for indoor use. The fixed-pitch rotor system enhances efficiency and ease of operation. Paired with the Spectrum SLT-6 transmitter, which operates on 2.4 GHz technology, it ensures a responsive flying experience. The included 1S3.7V 150 mAh LiPo battery and USB charger add convenience. Since it does not require remote ID or FAA registration, it provides a hassle-free entry into RC flying. The Blade Revolution 90 FP is an excellent choice for beginners looking to develop their skills with a reliable, easy-to-control helicopter. Flywing Bell as 350. The Flywing Bell as 350 is a high-quality RC helicopter priced at €895, catering to intermediate users. It features a brushless motor, 6-channel control, and an advanced flybar rotor head design, enhancing both stability and 3D maneuverability. Equipped with a ZYX 3-axis gyro, it simplifies wiring and maintenance while improving flight control. The integrated spindle servo mounts allow for quick and easy replacement. A low center of gravity battery holder boosts flight performance, while the efficient tailshaft drive minimizes power consumption. Beyond its technical features, the AS350 boasts an eye-catching paint job and sleek aerodynamic design. These elements make it an excellent choice for pilots seeking a well-balanced helicopter that combines style, advanced technology, and high-end performance for an engaging flight experience. Align TB70. The Align TB70 is a powerful RC helicopter built for enthusiasts seeking top-tier performance. Priced at $1,655, it features a 1356mm body and a 1542mm main rotor diameter, providing exceptional flight stability and precision. Equipped with an 800mx brushless motor, it delivers a maximum RPM of approximately 2290, ensuring responsive and dynamic flying. The TB70 comes with premium components, including carbon fiber rotor blades and a MicroBeast Plus flybarless system, optimizing control and handling. Weighing around 4.9 kilograms with a 12S battery setup, it offers a well-balanced flight experience. Additional accessories such as high-voltage servos and a reliable ESC make assembly easier. The Align TB70 is an outstanding choice for serious pilots looking for an exhilarating high-performance RC helicopter with advanced engineering and top-tier materials. Flywing FW200. The Flywing FW200, priced at $440, is an excellent option for both beginners and seasoned pilots, featuring a range of advanced functionalities. One of its standout features is a power monitoring system with a low-power alarm that prompts a safe descent, ensuring reliable operation. Its mobile app integration allows for easy parameter adjustments and real-time status updates. The FW200 includes GPS and optical positioning sensors, delivering smooth and stable flight performance. The one-key return function enhances safety, automatically guiding the helicopter back when the remote signal is lost. With omnidirectional positioning technology, beginners can fly with confidence, minimizing crash risks. These features make the FW200 a great all-around RC helicopter that balances ease of use, stability, and advanced capabilities, making it an attractive option for both casual and serious users. Blade Eclipse 360. The Blade Eclipse 360, priced at $450, is an impressive RC helicopter catering to intermediate and advanced pilots. It features a durable, fully molded EPO body, complete with LED navigation and landing lights, enhancing both aesthetics and visibility. Capable of multiple flight styles, from stable hovering to aerobatics, the Eclipse 360 is versatile and well-equipped for a variety of flying conditions. The Spectrum FC6250HX flybarless controller, integrated with AS3X and safe technologies, ensures precise control and stable handling. Its lightweight construction supports agile maneuvers, while low-profile skids and optional wheels improve ground operations. The pre-installed brushless motors and metal-geared servos contribute to reliable performance. With its combination of innovative technology and sleek design, the Blade Eclipse 360 offers an exciting and smooth flight experience for those seeking a stylish and functional RC helicopter. Align TB60. The Align TB60, priced at $1,500, is a high-performance RC helicopter designed for experienced pilots. Weighing only 120 grams, its newly designed canopy features a press buckle for effortless battery swaps. The two-stage fuselage frame, constructed from 3K carbon fiber, ensures durability while simplifying maintenance. Its EFL rotor head assembly, made from CNC machined aluminum alloy, provides excellent flight stability and control, particularly for advanced 3D maneuvers. An upgraded swash plate design prevents rod detachment, enhancing reliability in extreme conditions. The adjustable tail drive belt and quick-release tail gearbox improve power transfer efficiency, contributing to smoother operation. With its cutting-edge engineering, sleek aesthetics, and pilot-friendly features, the Align TB60 is a top-tier choice for RC helicopter enthusiasts seeking superior performance and durability in an advanced flying machine. Flywing Bell 206 V3. The Flywing Bell 206 V3, priced at $600, is a versatile RC helicopter blending advanced technology with user-friendly controls. Measuring 720mm in length with an 810mm rotor span, it offers remarkable stability and agility. The 3508 brushless motor, coupled with a 60A ESEC, ensures powerful and efficient performance. It supports multiple flight modes, including GPS-assisted hovering, 3D manual mode, and semi-auto flight, accommodating pilots of various skill levels. Safety is a priority with features like lose control return and low voltage return, automatically guiding the helicopter back to safety. Its advanced satellite positioning module, GPS GLONASS Galileo, provides precise navigation and reliable stability. Whether you're an intermediate or seasoned pilot, the Flywing Bell 206 V3 delivers a high-quality, immersive flying experience with cutting-edge tracking and control capabilities. Blade Fusion 550. The Blade Fusion 550, priced at $1,300, offers exceptional performance, durability, and ease of use for intermediate and advanced RC pilots. Its lightweight yet sturdy carbon fiber and aluminum airframe, combined with 550mm main rotor blades and a 95mm tail rotor, provides outstanding maneuverability and stability. The 4320 1180 kV brushless outrunner motor generates high torque, supporting thrilling aerobatics with 6 S4000 5000 mAh LiPo batteries. Designed for quick assembly, It significantly reduces setup time compared to traditional kits. Optimized servo geometry ensures precise control, allowing pilots to execute complex 3D stunts with confidence. A quiet helical main gear and belt-driven tail system enhance reliability and efficiency. For those looking for a top-performing, customizable RC helicopter, the Blade Fusion 550 stands out as an excellent investment in both quality and high-speed aerial excitement. Blade Infusion 120. The Blade Infusion 120, priced at $200, is a compact yet powerful RC helicopter designed for pilots of all experience levels. Fully assembled and ready to bind to a Spectrum DSM-X or DSM-2 transmitter, it features a direct-drive brushless motor system that eliminates complex gear setups. As 3X technology enhances flight stability, while optional safe technology offers self-leveling capabilities, making it ideal for beginners. Progressive flight modes allow pilots to refine their skills, and a panic recovery function instantly stabilizes the helicopter at the press of a button. Its durable ABS airframe withstands crashes, ensuring longevity. The high visibility canopy and landing gear improve orientation during flights. With user-friendly features, high-quality engineering, and impressive aerobatic capabilities, the Blade Infusion 120 is an excellent option for both novice and experienced RC enthusiasts. OMP Hobby M2 Evo. The OMP Hobby M2 Evo, priced at $300, is a high-performance RC helicopter equipped with 6 major upgrades to enhance flight stability and durability. The dual brushless direct drive system delivers exceptional 3D flight performance while minimizing noise, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor environments. With 3 customizable flight modes, stabilizing attitude, soft 3D, and aggressive 3D, it caters to pilots of varying skill levels. The upgraded dual ESCs provide seamless compatibility with multiple receiver interfaces, including S-Bus, DSM, and DSM-X. Featuring a strengthened fuselage and rotor system, the M2 Evo is designed for maximum resilience. However, this model is recommended for experienced users due to its advanced controls. With unparalleled agility, power, and durability, the OMP Hobby M2 Evo stands out as a top-tier choice for RC helicopter enthusiasts seeking high-speed aerial excitement. Syma Revolt S39 RAPTOR XL. The Syma Revolt S39 RAPTOR XL, priced at $70, is a user-friendly 3-channel RC helicopter designed for both beginners and experienced pilots. It features advanced gyro stabilization technology, ensuring smooth and stable flights by automatically adjusting flight balance. Safety is a key focus, with an automatic power-off feature in case of a blockage preventing damage. Colorful LED lights enhance nighttime visibility, adding a fun visual element to flights. Powered by a 3.7-volt 500 mAh Li-Poly battery, it charges in approximately 150 minutes and offers 5.5 minutes of flight time. The 2.4 GHz remote control provides excellent range and interference resistance, allowing multiple helicopters to fly simultaneously without signal disruption. Combining affordability, durability, and easy operation, the Syma S39 RAPTOR XL is an excellent choice for RC pilots looking for an engaging and accessible flying experience. Blade Fusion 480. The Blade Fusion 480, priced at $700, is a robust, high-performance RC helicopter built with premium all-metal and carbon fiber materials. Its 2mm carbon fiber frame and oversized 25mm tail boom enhance stability, while a belt-driven tail system ensures precision control. The helical main gear and steel pinion reduce noise, making for a smoother flight experience. The high-strength steel main shaft supports aggressive 3D maneuvers, reaching a head speed of up to 3,000 revolutions per minute. A hidden tail servo contributes to the helicopter's sleek design, and standard-size servos provide reliable operation. Included in a power combo package with a motor and ESC, it offers excellent value. For pilots looking to refine their skills, the Real Flight Simulator provides essential training. The Blade Fusion 480 is an ideal choice for those seeking precision and high-speed aerial performance. OMP Hobby M2 Explore. The OMP Hobby M2 Explore, priced at $280, delivers an outstanding mix of performance and ease of use for dedicated RC enthusiasts. Its dual brushless direct drive system ensures powerful 3D flight with minimal noise, suitable for both indoor and outdoor flying. The adjustable flight controller enhances precision, allowing pilots to fine-tune their flying experience. One of its standout features is the T6 transmitter, which supports bi-directional signal transmission, enabling real-time battery level monitoring during flight. The upgraded all-metal blade clip and swash plate increase durability, while dual ESCs with high-quality MOSFETs ensure optimal power delivery. With 3 flight modes, stabilizing attitude, soft 3D, and aggressive 3D, it caters to various skill levels. However, due to its advanced features, the M2 Explore is best suited for experienced users looking for an exhilarating and highly responsive flying experience.